Cancers. Excuse me. Welcome back to another Tarot with Carrie. Hope all is well, especially with this quarantine or this corona. Keep your sanity, y'all. Stay prayed up, gloved up, masked up. Away from people. Just gonna say God bless. Bless you all. Okay? God bless. Universe and the divine. Okay, messages do we have for this sign of Cancer? Okay, Cancers, you feeling like, oh, not getting your financial, this is family, so you're not in a happy space right now. Maybe you want to create your own family. You want your own emotional fulfillment. Maybe your love life is not it right now, or things with your family is not going well right now, especially at this time. People rather go against each other than stick together, universe divine. Okay. Sadness, okay. Cancer is going on. I feel like you're sitting in there. You think about every possible way that you've been hurt, that made you cry, that made you sad, and you're sitting in it. But what? See, money's not coming in, or maybe you was in the position where you was the one that's always giving out to people, and now you're not. Things happen. Things really do happen, guys. It's not a game. But if right now this is gonna pick up, because you see how you sit in the sadness and know you don't have money, or you're not giving, or people's not having, and you're not giving it to you, and you feel some type of way about it. Because when I have, I give. It is family. Universe divine. What kind of messages do we have for the sign of Cancer? Universe divine. What kind of messages do we have for the sign of Cancer? Open up your heart. Okay? This is a step though, right? Things with your family, things at home ain't right. You're sitting in the sadness. You know you don't have money, so now you're really in this, like, the present state, let's just say, right? And then all this going around, you don't have money to move around. But if you open up your heart to all the possibilities and things that is coming to us, right? That's a step. Money ain't gonna jump right away, right there, but this is a step to our happiness, our emotional fulfillment, our peace of mind. Right here, the money's not coming because you're sitting in sadness, right? But if you're open to receiving, then that's all possibilities come, right? Right here, we have justice. Justice will come in your favor. Everybody had justice card. That's what's funny. See? And this fire, you will be in this fiery energy in my water sign. Okay? And this fertility, if you want this happen, maybe this person will come towards you. Look at your breakthrough. And death, okay. Justice is going to prevail, okay? You're going to get what's owed to you, what's meant to you. Maybe it's a legal case, so you're waiting for money to come in. You're going to get that. Right? Sitting in sadness is not going to help it, though. Get up what's owed to you. You get that paperwork. You make it come back, right? Excuse me, guys. Right? You're going to get what's owed to you. Either way, you're going to be inside your energy. Just go get them all. This is Aries, so just so you can be messing with the Aries. Just go get them all. Action oriented. Okay? Romance, art, new business. You will get that. You will. Trust me, you will. I'm going to put some animal towards next, see if we can get a bigger picture here. First of all. Okay, messages. Okay, right here. Queen of Pentacles. That's what I'm saying. Start off your emotional film, things in the house, right? You're open to receiving it for you. Do things for you. And your happiness will come. You want money, money will come. But you have to work hard. You have to do things that pushes you towards that goal, right? And that's what we have right here, the Queen of Pentacles. That self-respect, to hold it down for the household, for me, for you. But I'm also spreading love, okay? Spreading love, but also, I didn't mean to say love, but spreading the support, okay? Support. Oh, great, turned off on me. But spreading that support. Look, you're sad and look at you now. Okay, Cancer? So this is family situation. You feeling sad? Don't worry. The universe is providing you that love to open up your heart to receiving and giving. And you know what? That's my opportunity to bubble in for you. Universe providing. What clear messages do we have for the sign of Cancer? Universe providing. What clear messages do we have for the sign of Cancer? We have 2 cards. Three. Two. Right here, look. The Fool, Justice. Yep. You're waiting for his money, right? Justice finally prevails, right? And you are out. I didn't take the leap before, but I'm taking it now. For my own happiness. That's what I'm saying. All sorts of emotions. Right here we have, and this is funny, the 5 of Pentacles, the 9 and 9 reversed. So maybe you thought things was really bad. Things was not big enough. But please understand, our body is one. It's a machine, right? So if this is not working there, don't you think other things are going to be malfunction? Other things is going to start interrupting. And that was this. This was going to be a domino effect. Yes, we had sadness, no money coming in. No money coming in. Either left, right. Because I'm telling you, when you want to make your mind, body, and soul one, that has to be one. Can't work against each other. Okay? Let's go for my chakra wisdom oracle. Exact. So please understand, Cancers. Things, the family ain't going too well right now, but it starts with you. Open up your heart. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Okay? Man or female, take it as resonate. But we started with you. You bring that financial stability and that changing your view on things, the sad. So this is vice versa. Take it as somebody maybe feels this way towards you. Then you completely turn it back on them. Yeah, guys, go for chakra wisdom oracle. We have 2. See? Joy. Family wasn't alright. You finally got to the Queen of Pentacles. Though with that, when you open up your heart to receive and give love. Hear it. Stay with me. Joy. Oh, what do we have? Was this impatience? Yeah, it was impatient. Impatient. Yep. Perfect. Impatient. You trying to get with you trying to go to the universe, and God is here. God, your supporter, your angels is here, telling you like, really, I have a plan for you, but you're really trying to go over me and do what you want to do. That's not gonna work that way. Please understand that. So you starting this petty. That's why nothing was coming towards you, because you're just trying to rush things. Okay. Okay. Instinct. It wanted to come out. At a loss. Nobody's giving to you. You're not in a position to give, and that's period. You're waiting for something, it's gonna come. And when it does, you take that leap. You're gonna just jump. You know, it's your instincts. Don't forget. Okay, just say you was about to give up because nothing was coming. No, your 6th sense. It was coming. You just had to wait on it. You didn't know when it was coming, which direction it was coming, but it was coming. Never give up 5 minutes before your blessing. Okay, Cancers. Open. Joy is coming in this time of this, whatever this is going on, okay? Joy, patience, and instincts. So this is Early Tarot Carrie. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe.